Pakistan. Deosai. Pakistan is a God-gifted land. It abounds in natural treasures and breathtaking landscapes. That's why Pakistan has been declared as world's third highest potential adventure destination for 2020. British Backpackers Society, BBS, declared Pakistan as the world's third highest potential adventure destination for the 2020. Pakistan is a travel gem and is one of the world's most exciting travel destinations right now. I am compiling a series of videos to share the amazing places to visit in Pakistan. In this video I am covering Deosai. The Deosai National Park is a high-altitude alpine plateau, and national park in the northern Gilgit-Baltistan region of Pakistan. Deosai Plains are the second highest plateau in the world. In popular culture it is also known as the roof of the world. It is more than 13,000 feet above sea level and spans over a vast area of 3,000 square kilometers. Night view. The high elevation of this region provides clear views of the night sky. Nights here are filled with shooting stars and dazzling Milky Ways. Shozer Lake. Shozer Lake is situated in Deosai National Park. Shozer Lake is one of the highest lakes in the world, located at the height of 4,142 meters, 13,589 feet. A heart-shaped lake among the vast plains of Deosai with colorful flowers around its boundary is a beauty worth camping around. Fauna and flora. The Deosai National Park was established in 1993 to protect the survival of the Himalayan brown bear and its habitat. Deosai is known for its exotic flora and fauna. It is home to the Himalayan brown bear, one of the most endangered species of animals in the world. There's a peculiar fragrance in its air, a concoction of the aroma of millions of exotic wildflowers and herbs which grow on its slopes and plains. The Deosai Plains are also home to the Himalayan ibex, red fox, gray wolf, Thalata cureo, snow leopard and over 124 types of resident and migratory birds. Birds in the park include the golden eagle, lammergeier, griffon vulture, lugger falcon, peregrine falcon, Eurasian kestrel, Eurasian sparrowhawk, and snowcock. In spring, it is covered by sweeps of wildflowers and a wide variety of butterflies. Top places to visit in Deosai are: 1. Shozer Lake, Deosai, Gilgit-Baltistan. 2. Garapani, Deosai, the land of giants. 3. Kalapani, Deosai, the second highest plateau. 4. Deosai Top, also known as Aldi Mali Kumar Pass. 5. Shatung Nala, Deosai National Park. I hope you have found this video interesting. Please like the video and subscribe my channel for more videos.